Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Day 35 here. Been kind of a rough day. More computer problems. You may or may not ever see day 34. Excuse me. Yeah, I am having severe hard drive problems with my computer. So, I don't know. I'm still working on it. I'm trying to get this thing figured out. But it's not looking good for the home team, I can tell you that much. Anyway, what I do want to show you, if I ever get this video out, is the awesome dinner that Paul has provided here and is cooking. So let's get to that. This is 3 awesome New York strip steaks. And trust me, they're gorgeous steaks. Super thick too. Oh, look at that. Oh man, a good steak. I haven't had a good steak in a long time. We're gonna have some sauteed onions with it and baked potato. I'm just gonna open this really quick because we're only pushing like 350, not even 350. In this altitude, we don't seem to be getting the heat that I normally got at sea level. But here's our baked potatoes. Yeah, there you go. Smell good too. We may have to hit these with the microwave. I don't know. We'll see. But we're trying to keep these boards up here shielded. Help build the heat in there. And it does seem to help, but opening the door does not do you any good. So, yeah. This morning, I fire it back up. Everything seems fine. I'm editing the video for day 34 yesterday, and I tried to render it, and then it said it got right to the end of rendering, and it said file format invalid or something to that effect. So I shut it down. I shut my editing software down. I shut the computer down. And I tried to reboot. Well, I got the Lenovo sign and the circle of death. And I've been at this the rest of the day trying to recover this hard drive so that I don't lose all these videos and memories. I mean, that's what it is. It's memories, you know. When I had the problem yesterday, I tried to transfer everything off to my external hard drive, one of them, and well, they're both full. You know, I have 2 Seagate 10 terabyte external drives that are full, and my laptop C drive is pretty much full and D drive is about halfway, and I can't help but to wonder if that's not what caused part of this problem here. I really need another external drive to keep dumping these videos instead of keeping all this on there. But at either rate, this is actually the second, if this is a hard drive failure, this is the second hard drive failure I have had on this computer since I bought it. The first one was actually covered under warranty, luckily. I mean, by less than a week. That was amazing in itself. it died before the warranty expired. But they did take it in, replace the hard drive. Of course, I lost all that information too. But they did replace the hard drive. And that was, I want to say 2.5 years ago. Yeah, I actually, well, whenever I killed my channel, that was part of what happened when I killed my channel, because I just got so upset about the whole thing. Losing all that information, all those videos, everything. I threw my hands in the air and said, you know what? Forget YouTube. You know, I'm not doing that this time. But I have no idea how I'm going to get these videos uploaded. I really don't. And I really don't have the money for another laptop and even a desktop. I just don't have the money for it. So I really don't know how I'm going to pull this one off. Anyway, I should probably keep this video pretty short, because uploading might be a problem, right? Anyway, hope you guys had a better day than me. And I'm going to sit here and enjoy a steak and a baked potato and a salad. And try and figure all this out, right? Peace out, people.
Thank you.